Hi everyone, my name is Maulita Nabila Sari dari kelas 2 PCMA. Here I will provide information about the meaning of trait, type of trait, and examples of pictures of trait in everyday life. The definition of trait is a curved shape in the form of a rotating groove or indentation or a cylinder or cone. Generally used in screws and bolts in mechanical device or connection with other components. Types of thread in everyday life. 1. Radius threads. Radius threads are easily used to reduce the stress contraction in the stitch. We can find radius thread online. Here in example. 2. Serrated thread. Serrated thread is a type of thread that has sawtooth shape on its surface. We can find serrated threads in tool paths. Here 3. Triangular threads. Triangular threads is type of triangular threads in its profile. Here in quadrangular threads. Quadrangular threads in the context of screws and bolts, which we can find on broom handles. Here in example.